Exercise 6. Triangle PQR and triangle STU are similar triangles. So let's draw two triangles that theoretically are similar. For now, which is bigger than the other makes absolutely no difference. So we have PQR, which is similar to STU. So it's going to be ST and U. PQ and ST are the corresponding sides. ST is 3PQ. So if this is X, then ST is 3X, which means that we now know the ratio of proportion. We know that the sides of triangle STU are 3 times the corresponding sides of PQR. The perimeter of triangle PQR is 15. So, if PQ plus QR plus RP is 15, what would the perimeter of triangle STU be? The perimeter of STU is ST plus TU plus US. But, like I said before, from the given info, we were able to identify that the sides of STU are 3 times the sides of the corresponding ones of PQR. So ST would be 3 times PQ, TU would be 3 times QR, and US would be 3 times RP respectively. Now I'm going to use 3 as a common factor, and I'm gonna have it written as 3 times PQ plus QR plus RP, which is 3 times 15, which was given, therefore 45, which makes C, 45, the right choice for this exercise.